Before you get rid of wood ash in your fireplace, the next time you clean it out, you might want to consider doing this first. Save it for your garden. Certain type of wood ash contain valuable nutrients that can give your soil a boost, benefiting the vegetables, trees and shrubs in your garden and around your home. It can even be used to modify the soil pH. However, before you dump those ashes in your garden, there are a few things you need to know. What does wood ash do for your garden? Wood ash contain high levels of calcium and potassium, also known as potash, as much as 20% and 5% respectively, according to the University of Wisconsin Extension Service. That's what makes it such a powerful soil amendment. Magnesium, phosphorus and sulfur can also be found in wood ash in concentrations of up to 2%, and it can also contain trace amount of iron, aluminum, magnesium, zinc, boron and others. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification before we begin discussing how to use wood ash in your garden. Wood ash is a great source of nutrients for plants, and it can be used in a variety of ways in the garden. Here are a few of the most common uses of wood ash. Number 1. Amending soil. Wood ash is a great source of calcium, potassium and other minerals that can help to improve soil quality. It can be added to the soil around plants, or it can be mixed into the compost pile. Number 2. Raising soil pH. Wood ash is alkaline, so it can be used to raise the pH of acidic soil. This is important for some plants such as blueberries, which prefer slightly acidic soil. Number 3. Fertilizers. Wood ash can be used as a fertilizer, but it is important to use it sparingly. Too much wood ash can actually burn plants. A good rule of thumb is to apply no more than 1 cup of wood ash per square foot of soil, or just a 2 to 3 tablespoons per container. Number 4. Mulch. Wood ash can be used as a mulch around plants. It will help to suppress weeds, retain moisture and improve soil drainage. Number 5. Insecticides. Wood ash can be used as an insecticide to control slugs, snails and other pests. It can be sprinkled around plants or mixed with the water and sprayed on plants. Before you add wood ash to your soil, it is a good idea to get a soil test to determine the pH level. This will help you to determine how much wood ash to add and where to add it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this.